You know,
But not now. You can do it later. Okay, I don't want any fighting. Okay, I'll just go to the other room now. I need to pack.
anyway, here we're in the hotel room. The noise there is from this cute US fan. I just brought this for the sake of it. So I was about to say the HECK word, but I cannot say it. Anyway, it's a Yamatake-Honeywell. It's probably the Japanese branch of Honeywell. That's probably what it is. So this is the outside vent, and up there's the return, I'd imagine. And that's the return. Anyway, just keep this on, it's hot. And this is gonna get hotter by the minute if I don't turn this on soon. Let's take a look at the outlet vent. See what's inside. You probably cannot see much. And it's also a heater, but we do not use the heat because it gets stuffy. And also you don't need the heat really because it gets warm.
Wait. Oh, sorry, you're getting it.
Yeah. Okay. So anyway, here's low. 30 to 20 degrees. It's 26.5 degrees Celsius in the room right now. It's interesting, even though we're in different countries. All the countries have been in use Celsius. Anyway, here's low. Well, how about I take this off so I can hear it better? Here's the return. Interesting how they have the return here. I like how they have the return here because it helps to ventilate the whole room. Let's see how much air it moves. Oh, nice and cool breeze. Even though it's a good 40 degrees or something outside. It's quite nice to have the air conditioner on, but it's what? In Celsius, it's about 26.5 in here. So we know it gets pretty hot, even though it's about 7 Celsius outside. Anyway, there you go. That's low. Not much air, but still okay. Let's set the medium. Yeah. Oh, it's almost good air. Yeah, I really wish they would have put a ceiling fan up here. I thought it'd be quite ideal for circulation, and especially since the other room has got, especially since the other room's got a weird smoke smell. It smells like a Hong Kong minibus, probably because someone smoked in it and broke the rules. I think they should have a ceiling fan in all rooms. I just think it would be ideal. Yeah, it looks a little bit like a kitchen vent. The return right now. You know. I really like how they have the return here. This helps ventilate the room better because, you know, sucks air in from here and then goes up out there, goes back here, and then the air sucks out through the bathroom exhaust vent, which is just linked to a central exhaust system, I think, which we'll probably never get to see. We set it to high. We'll not do auto because, you know, it'll pretty much just be the same. We'll just see a different speed of what? Probably high, a different speed of what? Would be the speed we would have seen now. Anyway, let's turn it off and listen to it spin down. Can't see it because you cannot see the fan blades themselves. So anyway, there you go. Just another one in the other room. but it's pretty much identical. Let's listen to it start up. So anyway, it's probably got a centrifugal fan up there, but you know. Oh, interestingly, I can do this. Let's put it in the return, turn it off, and turn it back on again. Not the best idea for air conditioners, but it should be okay just for videoing sake. Okay, we've had enough messing with the air conditioner now. There you go. Thanks for watching, and hold back here sometime soon. Anyway, there you go, thanks for watching.